Hello, hello. So I make my own paintings here in the United States now, and I have been for a few months. I design them, I have them printed here, I pack the drills. There is a company in China, well, I still have to buy my drills from China. There's a company in China where I get my accessories from, the diamond painting accessories. And they showed me some really cute diamond paintings that are partials. And so I bought them because they are so adorable. And I just got them today. So let's open them up and take a look at the quality. I think 30 by 30. Open up the first one. This one is 30 by 40. I'm going to open this up carefully. Let's see. This one I absolutely love. I love this one. This one says welcome. And it has dragonflies and flowers and the watering can with the United States of America motif. Can frame it or hang it up just inside your door. Or these are all crystal drills. I'm not going to open the package because I'm not keeping these. I'm going to sell them. So hopefully you can see with the reflection. Okay, they have the, let's see, there's 11 colors. And comes with your basic toolkit. Oh, these tweezers are nice. Oh, they're plastic. But still, they're nice and sturdy.